Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be working with the company Hairsmarket. This is their 4x4 closure unit, body wave, and it is in 24 inches. And starting off, I am already bleaching the unit. I used the L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach and some 40 volume developer. And I'm just making sure that I coat every inch of this unit. And yeah, I did have a little bit of imperfections. That's on my part on like what I did wrong with bleaching the unit, but this unit had no problems with bleaching. And yeah, so I was going for a really ginger color. I've never tried ginger ever, like in any wig. I want to do color. I want to be a little different. And yeah, I just thought it would be really cute. So that's the look that I'm going for. After each section that I apply the bleach to, I'm going to add it into foil just to help along with the bleaching process. This will help the hair, bleach a little more quicker. And I make sure that I'm not pressing too hard on it, because if you do, you will get a lot of more imperfections than you would want. And you have to make sure that you leave some air ventilating through it. Otherwise, the hair will start to heat up. Like, you can literally feel it. It will start to heat up. And that is just extra damage that you do not want to add to your hair. Alright, so like I mentioned earlier, I did bleach this unit twice, but for the second go around, instead of, actually painting the bleach on, I did a bleach bath instead, because like this bleaching process is extremely tedious. Like, it can get a lot and it's slow, but I did the bleaching bath, which essentially is just a little bit of hot water, some of your developer of choice, and your bleach of choice. Mine was Quick Blue, obviously, and I let that sit for about like 35 minutes or 40. Same thing with the first bleaching process. I let that sit on for about 35 to 40 minutes both times. And this is the amount of shedding that I received after bleaching both times. That is all the shedding that I received. So now I'm going to go in with some petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline, just to coat the closure, because I am going to watercolor it and I do not want to risk getting any type of, dye on the lace. Even though it is semi-permanent and it can come out, I just didn't want to deal with the headache. So yeah, I'm just using that, and it's better than using the actual Got2b hairspray, because Got2b is water-based and it will come right off as soon as it hits the hot water. I'm going to use the Adore dye in the color Cajun Spice. This is just really hot sink water. Luckily my sink gets hot, so I didn't have to boil it, but if you want to, you can boil the water. And yeah, I'm gonna add the whole bottle into there, and I make sure to get some water into that bottle because we want to get every inch of dye as we can. And yeah, I'm just gonna dip the wig in to the bowl. That's essentially what watercoloring is. You just dipping it in and out and making sure that the color gets on there and sticks on it. You can always paint a semi-colored dye onto the wig if you want to, but like I said, I bleached this hair and that was really tedious, and I did not feel like, painting on some dye, but it typically does last longer if you did paint the dye on rather than watercoloring it, because as soon as the watercolor hits like really warm water, the color will start to wash out. And I did have an issue with that because I had to use shampoo in order to get the Vaseline out. So some of the color did wash out. That's why I had to watercolor it twice. I got 2 bottles of the Cajun Spice. I didn't show the second time on camera, but yeah, I'm just letting y'all know. So I'm going to take my Garnier Fruit Tease, that's my shampoo of choice, and my deep conditioner / conditioner of choice is Silicone Mix. Silicone Mix is the bomb. I did bleach this wig twice, so it needs all the moisture that it can get, and that is what the Silicone Mix will do for you. I left that on for probably an hour. Yeah, almost an hour. So the last couple clips are me straightening the hair, and then the final look, which is the wand curls that I did off of camera. And I just want to give my final thought. This hair is beautiful, as you can see. It has so much body and shine to it. Even though I bleached it twice, it's still just as soft as it was when I pulled it out of the package. So yeah, it's a 10 out of 10. This hair is bomb. They have really great hair. Thank you so much, Hairsmarket, for sending me this unit. And yeah, you'll see the final look right now. And I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.